Welcome back my dear friend. My name is Neymar and today in this video I am showing you how to make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. But before that, do you want to make $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000 a day with online? Also, my primary goal is helping you to make more money. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So first of all, I think I need to answer this question is what is affiliate marketing? Basically guys, affiliate marketing is you join a affiliate marketing or marketplace and then guys you find some product for a commission. You promote this product and then guys you earn the commission. You just need is guys find the product and promote this product. First of all, I think I need to share with you my earning proofs. As we can see here, $4,272 earned with ClickBank. Also guys, you can see here on the JVZoo I earned today $375 already guys. This is a step-by-step training guys. You don't need to buy affiliate marketing courses. You can save up to $1,000 just watching this full step-by-step video guys. I am sharing with you for free. I don't know someone else do this. Why? Because I love my subscribers. So right now I am on ClickBank and as we can see here they have a lots of product. You can choose any product. I recommend you choose a niche or topic and then you need to create a website. Also you can do paid advertisement. So that's why I share with you guys these methods. I recommend you guys start with a niche or topic or categories guys. So in this case I start with health and fitness. And guys, here is my website. You can see here healthinitials.com. You can see here I publish lots of articles. As you can see here, mental health, diet and exercise. Also guys, here I put a autoresponder to get someone's email address guys. Why? Because on this email list I can promote this product with them guys. For example, I have 1,000 people email list. I can probably send them a affiliate product. If they buy, for example 3 people buy and my commission is $50, I think you know the math. Boom, we are earning $150 guys within one day. Okay, so I think most important is guys you build your website like this. So as we can see here on this diet and exercise article, for example this article, what to eat when you are training for a marathon, I can probably link an affiliate product to this article. If people read this article and buy this product, boom, I get my commission guys. So also you can see here what's best weight loss diet. We can promote here some weight loss product and earn a commission. Guys, that is so easy. Okay. I want to say guys, you need to do the work guys. If you create a website like this and publish maximum 200 or 500 article to build this. But guys, this is so valuable. This is a passive income guys, because you do the work now and earn commission for lifetime guys. If you want to create a website like this, comment below guys. I create a video in future. Okay, for creating a website you need a domain and a web hosting. In this case guys, I recommend you to start with Bluehost. Bluehost is the best web hosting and domain provider guys. Also they have a special offer for my audience guys, Neymar audience guys. If you click on my link and then you get free domain name for 1 year, free SSL certificate included. This is only for my audience guys, my fans. You can see here starting at $7. This is guys for who don't click my link and just randomly search on Google for Bluehost, they probably get $7 for a month. In this case, if you click on my link, you can see here $3.95 per month guys. On the other side, You can see here $7.99, almost $8 per month. So I encourage you to start with a website, and you can buy a domain hosting for my special offer, and then guys, you combine them through your website and your YouTube channel or YouTube videos. So guys, this is an ecosystem, because you promote a product on your article, also you promote your YouTube video. Guys, you can earn from YouTube AdSense, YouTube affiliate marketing, also your website, guys. So this is an ecosystem. For example, you go on YouTube and search for how to lose weight. We can see here, guys, this keyword is so much popular and lots of people get 5.1 million view, 1.2 million view, 3.1 million view. For example, if 1,000 people buy, you can math here, guys, how much money they get, guys, within one video. Guys, if you create a website like this and also create a YouTube channel and also create a YouTube video like this, and then guys, combine them, you can earn from your YouTube video, from Google AdSense, also affiliate marketing, and also you can earn from your blog site. So I'm sure, guys, you found some value on this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Also guys, do me a favor, share this video with your friends.